Welcome back, guys. Another quick trade recap video from JC Trading. Chris with you today, and I just wanted to run through the inverse setup that we had this afternoon. So we've come into New York Open. Well, New York Open was around here. We've gone up into a fair value gap. We did have news. We had news at 1:30 UK time, so we had a news low. It was quite important here. So after we'd come off of the 5-minute fair value gap, we did invert a fair value gap at the top, but the risk to reward on that was about 0.6. We hadn't had a market structure shift, so all in all, this wasn't the cleanest of setups. We like really an R to R of at least 1. That didn't meet it. It was about a 0.6. We've then pushed down and retraced slightly, and we put in a 1-minute fair value gap, which was here. Once we inversed, you'll notice that we did leave equal highs above. Now, ordinarily, we wouldn't really take a short there if we had equal highs above. But because the news low, which was here, we deemed as a bigger draw on liquidity than the equal highs, we took the trade. The trade also had a very good RR. It was over 1, even if it had only come down to this next pool of liquidity, it was at least 1. So, and we'd had a market structure shift. So this trade was 10 times better than this trade. So we didn't take this, we took that for those reasons. Market structure shift by the time we got here. RR before we got to internal liquidity was above 1. And we also had the data or the news lows below us. What we then done was followed or trailed our stop loss down. We took out a London range low around here and a New York range low around here. So at that point we were trailing with our stop loss, and we got very, very, very tight with our stop loss, and eventually we got stopped out just here. The trade was a 1 to 11, and it was a total of 98.5 points. What you'll also notice is not long after we got out of the trade, we then saw the market reverse, and I was just obviously letting the guys in the stream know that that is more than likely what will happen, purely because we had taken not only a London low but a range low. Started to see this price action here. Very good indication that you're either going to be stalling for some consolidation before you drop again, or potentially you're looking at a reversal. In this instance, it obviously started to reverse. So that's today's trade. It's Tuesday the 16th of July, and that was our inversion. We're trading inversion silver bullet every London Open, every New York Open. It's completely free. Pop over into the Discord. Link is in the description. Any questions, pop them in the comments or pop over to the Discord group, and we'll be only too happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.